is it hard to get started?
No, definitely not. So as we entered, we've been in the AP automation space for 20 years here at KwikTag, but as we entered the BC market, we realized we needed to look at, the buying habits of the future. And honestly, the way people are interacting and purchasing things is very different now than it was 5 years ago or 10 years ago. And we do have a self-directed option that allows, ease to solution, ease to get the product up and running in minutes versus hours, days, and weeks. So you're certainly going to find us in the Microsoft App Source. You're going to be able to add the Simply AP extension, obviously fully certified. And from there, it's connecting to your Business Central environment. And I'll tell you, as you log in to do the connection, we have online chat available to you. So if you need support and help and what step and what do I click? We're there 100%. You can also set up a meeting with us. And we also have tutorials directly through the process, video tutorials that'll help you highlight that connectivity to Business Central.
Hmm.
Also, in the spirit of, ease to solution and rapidly getting up and running, we're going to pull in your users directly from Active Directory. So you're not going to maintain multiple sets of users.
Hmm.
Absolutely not. We're pulling it in from AD. And then it's simply setting your approval thresholds.
Hmm.
How many people need to review and approve X type of invoice or an invoice at X dollar amount.
Hmm.
Um, and we truly can have somebody up and running, processing invoices in under an hour.